Welcome to this short presentation by UK Software on how their records management system Transearch has been adapted to manage crime files for the police in a MOPI compliant manner. Within the presentation, we'll cover a brief background on UK Software and then look at the crime file lifecycle from creation, search request, completion of NRAC form, authorized destruction, and then the actual destruction process with some conclusions at the end. UK Software was incorporated in 1993 and under the brand name of Transearch has been developing records management solutions for various industries including banking, insurance, legal and accountancy, but also in the public sector with the health service, custom and excise, HMRC, and more recently with police force. In this part of the presentation, we're going to look at how to create a new crime file. When the user logs on, the screen will display a number of locations and details around individual crime files, files that he is currently using, files that he may have requested, or files that he may have to deal with. In this instance, the user has a number of things he needs to do, and he has a particular file for review, in addition to a number of files located with him already. So selecting the new crime file button, he opens a screen, and in this screen, in the turquoise fields, which are mandatory, he completes information around the crime. The barcode number for the file itself, the crime number, the URN number, all of which he will have from existing information. Operations numbers can also be added, and from drop-down lists, a range of information from the organization, the type of file, which can be pulled down from a managed drop-down list, the kind of result achieved in the court, all of which are in maintained lists, can be added, and in this instance the offence type as well, which comes from a Home Office managed list. So all this information can be added to the crime file simply by selecting the appropriate fields and then clicking OK. Once the case details have been entered, the nominal details can also be included by adding into any field and then selecting the appropriate nominal. Information can be pulled through to a number of fields to populate this section, and we can also capture things like the offence date and that kind of thing, and any materials or records that have been collected around this particular crime file. At this point, having completed the form, we can then submit the file, which then goes for review. We can then see that the review dates and the disposal dates of the file in terms of retention policy are automatically added to the file, and returning to the home screen, we can see that the file is now at my location.